Hey, what's going on, everyone? Trev Bucheri here. Hope you're doing great today. Wanted to actually share with you an amazing plant-based vegan cookie recipe that my wife's putting together here. And she doesn't even actually know that I was going to actually include her on this.
Great.
But hey, hon, how's it going? My wife,
Hi.
Laura.
Good.
So what are you making here? What do you have?
I'm making some vegan pumpkin cookies for Grayson's birthday tomorrow.
Awesome. So what do we have? How do we? What's included here? With this?
So it's basically just vegan butter, canned pumpkin, some flour, like cinnamon, nutmeg, baking powder, baking soda. That's pretty much it. Like, there's not many ingredients in it.
Awesome.
No eggs, no dairy.
Awesome.
And then you make a maple glaze to go on top, but that could be optional if you want.
Ooh, we're getting classy with that. So, it's amazing the recipes that are out there right now. There's a lot of people really getting into plant-based, and there's also a lot of people thinking that, hey, you know what, it tastes like garbage. It doesn't taste well.
Yeah.
The thing is, they're really getting the science down now. There's so many people really experimenting with this and finding, oh my gosh, use this filler, like applesauce for moisture or whatever it may be.
Sure.
And they're really getting it down to a science. So something like this, ends up being not that bad.
Well, I forgot to mention there is sugar in it, but
Yes.
you can tailor it to your own needs or style or taste or whatever, and you don't have to put as much sugar, honestly. Or you could use maple syrup instead.
There you go. So maybe even talk, and of course, there's sugar and maple syrup as well. But we're talking about if you're gonna have a cookie and you want to make really clean cookies, here's how you can do it. So what would be another thing that you could actually substitute as opposed to the sugar? So you said you can use maple syrup.
You could do honey.
Okay. Applesauce.
That would be more for like oil. I mean,
Okay.
it depends how sweet you want it. I mean, you could do just a tiny bit of sugar. You could do stevia. I mean, there's a lot of options out there.
Totally. And I know I'm kind of getting off a little bit, but what do you use the flaxseed for? Isn't there like a flaxseed that you're almost supposed to?
Yeah, not in every recipe, but that substitutes for eggs.
Okay.
You can make a flax egg. So that's basically 3 tablespoons of flaxseed to, I believe, 1/3 of a cup of water. Yeah, I'd have to look it up, but it's close to that.
Okay, so
Yeah.
basically, like, there's your substitute for oil. So it's like a little bit lower fat, is like the flaxseed.
That's eggs.
Oh, excuse me, the eggs.
And applesauce for oil.
And applesauce for oil.
Yeah.
There we go. So some good tips. I just wanted to share with you because she's always just crushing this stuff, and I think there's a lot of value to it, especially as we're around the holiday season. So a couple things that you can mess around with as well, and hope you got a bunch out of this today. So
Yeah.
thanks, hon. Appreciate
no
you.
problem.
You guys have a great rest of your day. Take care.